Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatma Ahmadzai. I am working as lecturer botany at Government Girls Postgraduate College, Quetta, Kent. This semester I will be teaching phycology and bryology. The objective of the course is to understand the classification, morphology, and economic importance of algae and bryophytes. So, our today's lecture is about algae, which are the autotrophic thallophytes of the plant kingdom. So the contents are introduction, general account in which we will discuss derivation of different terminologies used in the study of algae, habit and habitat, size and form, evolution of algae, and biochemistry of algae. Introduction. So the study of algae is called phycology, and the scientists concerned with the study of algae are called phycologists. Algae are a diverse group of fascinating photosynthetic eukaryotes which are cosmopolitan or worldwide in distribution. These are strings of filamentous algae. You must be familiar with the term algal bloom. So, an algal bloom is a rapid increase in the population of algae in a body of water, often causing discoloration and potentially harmful effects on the ecosystems and human health. Derivation. Now we will be discussing the derivation of different terminologies used in the study of algae. The term algae is derived from a Latin word which means seaweeds. The term thallophytes is derived from two Greek words, thallos meaning sprout and phyton meaning a plant. The term phycology is derived from two Greek words, phykos meaning seaweed and logos meaning study or discourse. Algae are autotrophic thallophytes. Now, what are autotrophs? Autotrophs are living organisms which can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. It is a mode of living. Now, what are thallophytes? They lack true roots, stem, and leaves. They have a sac or thallus-like structure, and Liker in 1836 included algae, fungi, and lichens in the division Thallophyta. Habit and habitat. Mostly algae are aquatic, found in freshwater, sea, and in stagnant water. Ectocarpus and Polysiphonia are marine species of algae, which means they are found in sea. Vaucheria and Batrachospermum are found in freshwater like in rivers, lakes, streams. Chara, Udogonium and Zygnema are found in stagnant water. Some algae are terrestrial, found on damp and shady places like on trees, flower pots, moist soil, and on rocks. This shows their adaptations to aerial mode of life. Surface algae on soil are known as sapophytes such as Frischia, Botrydium, and Vaucheria are found on the soil surface, while blue-green subsurface algae called cryptophytes are found in the soil below the surface, which means inside the soil. Nostoc and Anabina are blue-green algae that live underground. Algae are also epiphytes such as Oudogonium, which also grows on other algae, bryophytes and other aquatic plants. Some algae are endophytes like Anabina, found in the roots of Cycas, which is a gymnosperm, and Nostoc, found in the thallus of Endoceros, which is a bryophyte. Cladophora is epizoic, grows on snails. Some algae are planktons, mainly the algae of Chlorophyceae, Cyanophyceae, and Basidiophyceae. In lichens, algae make symbiotic or symbiosis relationship of give and take with fungi, where algae give food while fungi give water and mechanical protection to the algae. Size and form. Algae show great variation in size and form. They may be unicellular or multicellular, colonial or filamentous, branched or unbranched, flat disc-like or heterotrichous, cenocytic, parenchymatous, tubular or palm-like. Chlamydomonas is unicellular and microscopic, while Macrocystis is multicellular and macroscopic. Volvox is colonial, while Zygnema is filamentous. Vaucheria is branched and cenocytic, while Coluchite is disc-like. Ulva is parenchymatous and Cara is heterotrichous. Evolution of algae. Algae's evolution involves a fascinating journey from single-celled ancestors to diverse forms with key events including endosymbiosis, in which cyanobacteria are becoming chloroplasts, and subsequent diversification into various lineages like green, red, and brown algae. Origins and endosymbiosis. Cyanobacteria as ancestors. The story of algal evolution begins with cyanobacteria, photosynthetic prokaryotes that are believed to have been engulfed by early eukaryotic cells, leading to the formation of chloroplasts through endosymbiosis. Primary endosymbiosis. This initial event gave rise to the Archaeplastida, a group that includes red algae, green algae, and land plants. Secondary and tertiary endosymbiosis. Further diversification occurred through secondary and tertiary endosymbiosis, where eukaryotic cells engulfed other algae, resulting in the spread of plastids, which is chloroplasts, across different lineages. Key algal lineages and diversification. Green algae, also known as Chlorophyceae. This group includes organisms like Chlamydomonas and Volvox, and they are closely related to land plants. Red algae, also known as Rhodophyceae, characterized by the presence of phycoerythrin and phycocyanin pigments, which give them a reddish color. Brown algae, also known as Phaeophyceae. These algae, like kelp, are found in marine environments and are known for their complex structures. Other algal groups. There are many other algal groups including diatoms, dinoflagellates, and cryptophytes, each with unique evolutionary histories and adaptations. Evolutionary adaptations and fossil record. Photosynthesis. Algae have evolved diverse photosynthetic pigments and mechanisms to capture light energy and convert it into chemical energy. Reproduction. Algae exhibit a wide range of reproductive strategies, including asexual as well as sexual reproduction and adaptations for dispersal in different environments. Fossil evidence. Fossil records provide insights into the ancient history of algae, with evidence of algae dating back billions of years. Adaptations to terrestrial environments. Some algae, like those that evolved into land plants, have adapted to survive and thrive in terrestrial environments. Adaptations to marine environments. Marine algae have evolved a variety of adaptations to thrive in different depths and conditions, such as buoyancy, specialized pigments, and structural features. Biochemistry. Algal biochemistry involves various high value compounds like pigments, lipids, carbohydrates, and amino acids with specific biochemical compositions varying among species and depending on factors like temperature, nutrients, and light. Algae are also utilized for biotechnological applications like biofuels, biofertilizers, pharmaceuticals, and bioremediation. Key biochemical components of algae are pigments, lipids, and carbohydrates. Algae contain a wide array of pigments including chlorophylls, which are responsible for photosynthesis, carotenoids like fucoxanthin in brown algae, and phycobilins in red algae. Lipids. Algae are rich in lipids, including membrane lipids like glycerides and phosphoglycerides, and storage lipids like triglycerols. They also contain other lipid classes like terpenoids, phenylphospholipids, hydrocarbons, and sterols. Carbohydrates. Algae produce various carbohydrates including polysaccharides like alginate, cellulose, fucoidin, and laminarin found in cell walls of brown algae. So the lipids, glycosylglycerides and phosphoglycerides, and storage lipids like triacylglycerols. They also contain other lipid classes like terpenoids, phenolipids, hydrocarbons, and sterols. I repeated the lipids again so that it would be clear that which pigments, which lipids, and which carbohydrates are present in the different groups of algae. Proteins and amino acids. Algae contain proteins and amino acids which are essential building blocks for their cells. Other bioactive compounds. Algae also produce a variety of other bioactive compounds including polyunsaturated fatty acids, antibiotics, and biosurfactants. Thank you so much. I hope you understood the lecture. I would be sharing another lecture which would be giving a clear picture of different terminologies, size, and forms which we discussed in the following slides. Thank you so much.